Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I have a small Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. I happened to get to my regular Dollar Tree and I picked up a few items, not a whole lot, but pretty much everything that I picked up was new to me and my Dollar Tree. So here is an overview of everything that I picked up. I will go through it one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. So starting with this small haul, I have a couple of fleece baby blankets. And I really enjoy looking for new items at the Dollar Tree that are baby related because I am new to the reborn world. I really haven't dived into it as much as I wanted to because I've just been so occupied with other things here at home. So, but all along I've always been looking for little items there because of course it's inexpensive and a lot of times they come out with really nice baby items. So very shortly I will be making a couple of reborns, a boy and a girl that are going to be twins. And so I wanted to find a baby blanket for each of them. And I knew Dollar Tree had really cute fleece baby blankets, but I was really looking more for the solid pink and blue. So lo and behold, when I went to the Dollar Tree on the weekend, I saw the solid blue and solid pink. So for $1.25 each, I think that is a great deal. Some new decor that I found this time around. So the first thing here are the wall shelves. Now I have picked up the rectangular size shelf, and with that one, I think it was only one shelf per pack, but this one here, as you can see, they are much smaller, so you get two shelves in the pack. And there is the picture of the shelf. So that's really great for $1.25 to be able to pick up two of these for hanging wherever you want for whatever you want. I just thought that was really cute, and you could definitely just keep the wood as it is or stain it in a darker or different shade of wood. So really nice. I came across this, which at first when I saw it, I thought it was an oil decanter. I had a metal one that I got from Italy when I went a while back ago, many years ago, and I was looking for another one. So I thought, was this one? And then I picked it up, and at the bottom I read, and it is a plant mister. So that's really nice. They did come in different colors. In the pictures at the beginning of this haul, I did take a picture of all the different colors that this came in. So I just happened to pick up the one that was in gold, and I thought that was really nice. And then I came across these mason jars. Now there's no lids to these, but I thought they were really pretty as they have this red and black buffalo check wrapped around the mason jar, and then it has the jute twine tied at the top. So I thought this would be really cute for a vase when I pick some fresh flowers from the garden. So I picked up this one as well as the black and white buffalo check, and you can see here these are $1.50. And the last items that I have to share with you that I ended up bringing home are all Valentine's Day related. So the first things that I picked up here are these decor heart pieces, and this I believe is wood. And then it has the wood beads in the red and white, which is super sweet. And I did see 3 different ones. So the first one here says hugs. The second one I found with the red heart that says be mine. And then the third one is in a faux wood that says true love. And I really love displaying these on a tiered tray. I think they're really cute, but I mean, you could find so many places to add these in your decor. I then picked up this decor sign, and this was the only one that I saw, so I don't know if there were other types. I would imagine there were a few different ones of these, but this was the only one that I found. So it has a red heart on the top, and this is the particle board, MDF board, and it's just plain on the back. And then it has the heart on the top, and it does have just a little bit of glitter. And then it looks like wooden faux blocks that are painted in a like a whitewash, and it says "My Love." So I thought that was really cute. It was the only one, so I figured it was calling my name. And then I picked up these, which we've seen these before, but these were more geared towards probably for Valentine's Day, although you could use this anytime. But this one I thought was super cute. There were a couple other ones. Again, I have the pictures of those at the beginning of the video, but I just decided to pick up this one that said "You and Me." And the letters are in purple, and this time around they just have some lines in the back that make it look like shiplap, which is super cute. And then again, the faux wood as the frame. And then I came across these signs, which these are one of the favorite signs for me to find, pick up, and then DIY. I've been meaning to make so many signs with these, and I haven't gotten around to it yet, but I really want to make one for my living room, as one that I made previously, I just don't like that one anymore, so I want to make a new one. And I love using these decor pieces. I don't know if these are a little bit bigger than the ones they brought last year. They may be the same size, but I don't have one from last year on hand, so I don't really remember. For some reason, these look like they were bigger to me, but I do love the size, and I found 4 different ones. So again, this is the faux wood frame on the outside. I just wish that they would put these a little bit, display them a little bit better, because they always have them leaning, and then it seems like they get a bend in them instead of them laying flat. So I'm gonna have to flatten those out. But the first one that I picked up here says "Hearts and Hugs." This one that says "Love." And there is glitter on the writing. "You're my favorite, babes." And then the glitter is only on the word favorite. And then "Choose kindness." And again, kindness has the glitter, choose does not. So I was really excited that they brought these back again, because I really love making signs out of these, and I can't wait to start making those. And hopefully I will be able to film it and share it. Nothing out of this world, but I just figured if I'm making it, I might as well go and share the process on how I put it together for my home decor. And that's it, guys. That is my small Dollar Tree haul. I hope that you all are doing fantastic, and I hope you enjoyed this haul, even though it was on the smaller side. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.